Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidran. Rebel Salute 2018 continues the preservation of reggae music. The event this year celebrates 25 years of offering wholesome entertainment. Rebel Salute kicks off tomorrow night for night one with performances by Third World, Richie Spice, Luton Fire, Agent Sasco, Bugle Siobhan, among others. Night two happens this Saturday with a solid lineup of reggae acts, including Freddie McGregor, Capleton, Sanchez, Queen Ifrica, Pinches, Romain Virgo Jamil, and more. Rebel Salute is being staged at the Grisness Plantation Cove in St. Anne.
Yeah. It's all about culture, you know, roots and culture.
Whoa, 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 yeah. I'm Mr. Reggae Ambassador.
A whole heap of artists which you never found in Germany, so many of them.
Finally, this naughty dread can smoke in a peace.
Shaka Demus is prepping for the release of a solo project. The veteran entertainer is putting the final touches on the album slated to be released this April. The artist has expressed great hopes for the project, which is said to be a compilation of modern lyrical content, which he says will cater to fans of all ages. The album features tracks including Success, Love is the Answer, and a collaboration which features Pliers, Half Pint, and Dignitary Stylish titled Money Man Skank. Shaka Demus is also prepping for the upcoming tours of Canada and Europe. Saint International models highlighted once more on the international fashion scene. Grace Wales Bonner recently unveiled her newest collection exploring the Creole identity. The fashion designer celebrates her success on the London Fashion Week platform, highlighting that her dominance on the main stage this season was a collaborative effort between herself and Saint International Modeling Agency CEO Dwight Peters. 4 models from the Saint International Agency represented on the international platform, including Tevin Storm Steele. Wales Bonner, the fashion creative, also highlighted how the casting of the Jamaican talents helped to make her recent showing at the London Fashion Men's Showcase a standout. On the international scene, Skip Marley brings the reggae component to Coachella 2018. The grandson of reggae icon Bob Marley joins the lineup for this year's Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival. The show is set to take place April 13 to 15 and 20 to 22. He joins Beyonce, Eminem, and Cardi B at this year's staging of the music festival. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidran. Thank you for watching.